Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today's video I will show you how to force quit a frozen program in Windows. So let's say you run an application but suddenly it's stuck and you cannot do anything with it. Then you need to forcefully stop it. So how to forcefully quit this frozen application? Now I will show you this the way you can do it. So let me show you. At first I will go to uh, the folder. Okay, let me just open it to show you. Okay, and then okay, so as you can see that my cursor highlighter is turned on, and let's say I want to let's say it's stuck on my skin. So how should I remove it, right? Or how to forcefully quit this application? So what you have to do, go to taskbar, then right click on it, then go to task manager, and then as you can see lots of application running, and it's showing that using CPU memory. So let's say okay, uh, I told you that let's say just assume that my cursor highlighter is stuck on skin. So what you have to do, just you have to just come to this task manager, and then right click on the application you want to forcefully stop, and then select in task. See, it's gone. So this is how you can forcefully stop it. Okay, so that's it. See you in the next video. If you like the video, then make sure to subscribe the channel for more tech tips. Thank you.